Let's do a rapid fire of who's most likely to during Christmas. First question, who is most likely to give the best gift, aka me?
Ikaw.
You?
I told you.
Best gift overall, like packaging.
Oh, best gift overall would be cheap. Next si Gabs.
Well, I actually wrap my gifts so ugly every Christmas on purpose.
But your gifts are nice. What's inside the box
Pero
is
mahal.
nice.
Yeah.
Dina-downplay mo.
We became the best gift givers when we started working. That's true.
Pero when you were young, best gift.
Si Santa Claus.
Ako si Ma Baby.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's true.
Naku, yun ang pinakamahirap bigyan ng regalo, si Ma Baby.
Actually, si Ma Baby, magaling mag-gift
Mami
sa
ko,
amin.
mami ko,
Yes,
mami,
Ma
lola
Baby
nila.
is our lola on our dad's side. She's a really...
And she puts the return receipt if ever we don't like it.
yes. Oh, love ya.
Next.
Who's most likely to bring up awkward topics at dinner or Noche Buena?
That would be
Yan.
me,
Yan.
I guess.
Yan.
Si Mom pwede rin eh.
Si Mom.
Si Ma'am by accident.
By
accident.
Ako,
On purpose.
intentionally.
Si
I like
Mom,
to stir things up.
Yes.
During the holidays.
Mm.
Thank you.
Alam mo yung parang don't bring up political topics, religious topics. He will bring it up.
But that's every day.
Si Ma'am, madudulas.
No, si Mom nadudulas. She'll reveal your deepest, darkest secrets during Noche Buena. Na parang, Ma'am, who... This is funny. Gabs wrote this. Who's most likely to be a moody little Grinch?
Oh, ikaw ulit.
Ako?
It's a
Bakit
toss-up between you two.
Talaga? Ako ba?
Hindi si Gabs.
Am I the villain? Yeah.
Parang I think we
Ako
take
ba?
turns.
Wow.
They take turns.
At least
Tapos,
aminado
like,
sila.
Kami, we just have to endure. As usual.
Yeah.
Perfect na naman.
Perfect na naman kami. Ito,
Ito.
specific to eh. Isa lang
Ah.
yung sagot dito.
Ah.
Who's most likely to cry while greeting each other Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas! Sumiiyak na. Mom. Si Mom. Nasa senti every time. It's midnight. Merry Christmas! Nagagano na siya.
I will cry. I'll cry na now.
Oh, see?
Ayan.
Siyempre
Pag-
kasi
pag-hug.
another year over. You have to be
Yes!
grateful.
Okay. Who's most likely to suggest karaoke? Actually, tayo.
Kayo,
But I would
Kayo.
actually say the kings and queens of karaoke are sina Teme.
Yeah, that's true.
yeah.
Our cousin Larissa and Tita Melissa.
Because they do karaoke.
Teme.
Yes,
On
in their
the
house.
Who have great voices. Tapos, most likely,
Sila rin ang kakanta.
hindi, ang mauuwi, ang pinakamaraming kakantahin, si Pepe.
Oo.
Pepe is their lolo.
Daddy ko. Kasi hindi mo na maaagaw yung mic doon. Tuloy-tuloy.
Wala na.
Performance level
Yung
ng
kanyang
daddy ko.
loudest performance. And it's always House
Tsaka
of the
no-
Rising Sun.
They call the rising sun.
Yan, ganon.
Pati
Exacto.
facial.
Alright.
Na hindi lang one time.
Sumabog yung mic niya.
Who's most likely to peek at their gift?
Ikaw.
Gabs.
Ikaw.
Okay, wait. I literally have a scalpel.
Gabs.
I have a scalpel. Tapos binubuksan ko yung gift minsan.
At saka yung yung hindi makapaghintay, nag-shake, blind box.
Inaano ko for yung weight. Ito hindi ko to
Ito yung
hiningi.
hiningi ba ito? Or request?
Yeah, so they have to hide my real gifts upstairs. That's true.
Yeah.
See, alam ko na kung asan eh.
Well,
Oh, well.
secretly ako sumisilip din. Okay.
Ako habang,
The
pag narinig ko sila
little
mag-ano.
Grinches that make sleep their gifts.
Ito.
Ito, isa lang kayong sagot dyan.
Ano?
Who's most likely to French exit? Yung bigla lang, asa na si, nawawala during Christmas. Ikaw.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Papahinga sandali. Introvert?
Yes,
Introvert
that's true
ba?
naman.
Kinda.
Low social battery.
When I'm present naman, I'm present. Pero parang after a while, dali. I need a break. Would you say I'm an introvert?
You're
Kinda.
definitely an introvert.
You're definitely maarte.
Yeah, that's true.
But, ang truthful is, kami ni Pap ang mas introvert, kayo ni Gabs ang mas extrovert.
Introvert din si mom eh.
Mom grew up as an extrovert. Mom loves being surrounded by
Yes.
people. Ako kasi after a while, ano na rin ako,
Mom has the hardest time
saying
saying
goodbye.
goodbye. to
Yan na kaming
anybody.
tatlo. Kanina pa nagbababay.
Wala akong magagawa kung ako yung gusto nilang kausapin, di ba?
Okay. Last, also, only one answer to this.
Who's most likely to give a random gift?
Ako.
Actually, you give a lot of toys kasi he loves collecting toys. So,
Yeah.
he tends to give toys as gifts.
Feeling ko nga kasi, you get nice gifts that you need and that are expected. So, I wanna give quirky. I remember recently, I gave you posters of what I think are your favorite
Yes.
movies, diba?
We did love that. Oh, they
I
are...
gave you
La La Land.
La La Land.
And I got Angus. In
Angus.
fairness, alam naman.